Hello everyone. Excel offers various templates to help you organize and analyze data effectively. To explore these templates, click the File tab and then select New from the Backstage view. You can search for templates online by typing a keyword or choosing one from the suggested searches list. When you click a keyword, you'll see pre-built workbooks that are already formatted, organized, and populated with formulas, allowing you to create personalized spreadsheets. These templates can be used for proposals, reports, presentations, invoices, legal contracts, and agreements. To use a template, click it. A new window will appear, showing the thumbnail and details of the template. Click the Create button, and Excel will download the template and apply it to a new workbook. You can then use this workbook by adding, modifying, or deleting data as needed. You can also create your own templates and save them in Excel's personal template folder to make them available in the Backstage view. By default, Excel saves your templates in the Custom Office Templates folder inside the Documents folder. You can change the default template folder location by going to the File tab and selecting Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, click Save button and look for the default Personal Templates location box. If you haven't created any templates yet, this box will be empty. Leave it blank to use the default location, or enter a custom path if you prefer to use your own template folder. Let's create a contact list template. Although there are pre-built templates available, we'll create a simpler version. Start with a blank workbook. Write name, phone, email, and address in cells A3, B3, C3, and D3. Adjust the column widths and increase the font size to 16. Create a heading in cell A1 labeled Contacts and format it as desired. Select the range from A3 to D4 and format it as a table as shown on the screen. To save the workbook as a template, click the File tab and choose Save As. In the Save As type dropdown, select xltm.xltx. Excel will automatically change the save location to Custom Office Templates or to the folder you specified in the Excel options. Save your template in this folder to ensure it appears under the Personal or Custom section when creating a new workbook. To test your template, close Excel and reopen it. Go to the File tab and choose New from the Backstage view. Look for your template under Personal or Custom Templates and select it to create a new workbook based on your template. Now, if you want to edit this template to insert a macro, follow these steps. Click the File tab and select your template workbook from the Recent section. Press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. Insert a new module, and in the code editor, write a simple subroutine. Close the VBA editor and test whether your macro is working properly by pressing Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. Choose the macro and run it. To save this template as a macro-enabled template, go to the File tab and click Save As. In the Save As type dropdown, select Excel Macro-Enabled Template.xltm. Excel will save it to the Custom Office Templates folder or to the folder you specified in the Excel options. To test your template, close Excel and reopen it. Go to the File tab and choose New from the Backstage view. Look for your template under Personal and select it to create a new workbook based on your template. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.